To add color in Solid Viewport, simply go to the Material tab, and add a new material for the selected object. Then, search for Viewport Display in the Material tab. Now you can change to any color that you want, to the selected object. Take note that this applied color to the object will not affect in the final render, as this only affect in Solid Viewport. As you can see, in rendered viewport, the object color is still white. Another way to add random color to object in Solid Viewport is by using the Viewport shading option in here. You can choose random for the color option, so that Blender will automatically assign every single mesh with different color. If you join two objects into single mesh, Blender will automatically assign it to the same color.